Hello everyone, and welcome. In today's video, we're taking a look at a modern and efficient society management system designed to simplify the management of residential societies, apartment complexes, and housing communities. This software helps administrators manage daily operations in a faster, smarter, and more organized way. As the video begins, we see the secure login page. Authorized users can sign in using their email address and password, ensuring that all society data remains protected and accessible only to verified users. Security is one of the most important features of any management system, and this platform provides a reliable authentication process. After logging in, we arrive at the main dashboard. The dashboard acts as the central control panel where administrators can instantly view important information, statistics, and updates. Instead of navigating through multiple pages, everything is available in one convenient location, making the management process much more efficient. Next, we move to the society management section. Here, administrators can add new societies, update existing records, manage addresses, buildings, towers, and other essential information. Whether managing a single residential community or multiple housing projects, this system provides complete flexibility. The software also includes a powerful subscription management module. Administrators can easily monitor active plans, renewal dates, payment status, and subscription history. This feature helps ensure that every client or society remains up to date without the need for manual tracking. One of the most useful parts of the system is the financial overview. Through charts and visual reports, administrators can quickly analyze revenue, pending payments, and overall financial performance. These insights help make better business decisions while saving valuable time. The analytics section provides detailed reports and performance statistics. By reviewing these reports, administrators can identify trends, monitor system usage, and evaluate the overall growth of the society. Having real-time data makes planning and decision-making much more accurate. As we continue, we also see the client management section, where individual customer records can be viewed and managed efficiently. The user interface is clean, professional, and easy to navigate, allowing even first-time users to operate the software without difficulty. On the left-hand menu, we can access different modules such as dashboard, society management, subscriptions, report,